Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm just telling you how to make the diagrams using SPSS. So one of the way there are many ways to get find uh, get the graphs and charts using SPSS statistics. So one of the way is a suitable. It is chart builder. Go to the graphs and chart builder. So click here, chart builder. You will see the screen where different charts and graphs are here. So first of all, we should select one of the chart or graph to make the diagram. So one of the very easiest simple bar chart is this one. You go to the bar and just double click here. So we can develop a, so for example, vomiting data. This is vomiting. I'm just placing the x-axis, and one of the age I'm just putting here in the y-axis. Just clicking here, okay. You will see the diagram, the output window. Here is a diagram. This is vomiting by using age as a main. So we have different kind of graphs, charts, and we the second one. This is the multiple bar chart with the three-dimensional multiple bar chart. So this is what two-dimensional also we have, and the previous one. This is the three-dimensional. So vomiting count we can use. Okay. GI manifestation using, so gender as a using with the splitting file. So this is I'm just put it here, gender as a cluster. The gender will we will this will divide with the gender. So you can see that this is the yes or no, this is yes or no, this is the green is shown in the female, and the blue is shown as a male. So again, I'm going to use a chart builder, and we have many diagrams. This is also three-dimensional different diagrams for different purposes. For example, the same one I want to use for this is blood in stone in the z-axis, and I want to see the outcome as shown this one. Okay, I'm just clicking here. You will see the amazing diagram by using vomiting, blood in stone, and the outcome is discharge or death. So you have seen the most of the patients are discharged, but the few are dead by using with the coronavirus. Okay, now again I'm going to use the chart builder. So we can use this one for different purposes. For example, this is outcome. Okay, I'm just okay, this is a mean. For example, I'm just using age. Okay, this is again the box in Whisker plot, you can see, and two-dimensional vomiting and other variable you use for the diagram. So now these were was from the qualitative data. Now I'm using the lines. Lines means I'm using this one, vomiting versus other variable. Before this one, we can use the scatter plot. Scatter plot usually we make for the quantitative data. For one of the quantitative data, we have the age. So we can use the yes or no with age. Okay, let me check. So this is the diagram by using one of the bivariate data, and the other is age. So again, we can see there are different kind of diagram. So I like the histogram. Okay, this is histogram. Histogram I want to check by using this age, right? Just I'm clicking OK. This is a histogram of age. And again, I'm just choosing another one. This is also very amazing. We can split our data with respect to different objectives. For example, I want to check the how many patients are death with the age group, right? So this is age group, and this is the outcome with the death or discharge. So this is the amazing facts you have seen. So this is discharge are more than deaths. So it's mean the Pakistan hospitals are working well with the patients. So they are working for the excellence and the satisfactory from our side. So again, chart builder, you can use the line pie chart. For example, this is pie chart for maybe the age group. Okay, so this is okay. So you have seen this pie chart with the different age groups. Again, you can see the chart builder, and again, I can use the line area also we have, and the line one. Okay, so I can use this one for age group, and I want to okay, count, only count we can use the count. Set color. Color is the outcome I can set. Okay, this is a diagram or discharge or death. So discharge are shown in blue, and the death shown in green. So there are a lot of diagrams you can make by using SPSS. This is box and whisker plot, and just double click here, and the age group you want to find, and so we can change this one. Okay, now I just GI symptoms. Oh, okay, GI symptoms versus age. So we have two different um, box and whisker plots. So here you know have the three different outlines. You have seen the lower outside, like this is a 73 case, 459 case, and 845 case are shown as outline by using box and whisker plot. So this is from my side. This is I have tried my best to teach you uh, graph and charts by using SPSS statistics. Thank you very much.